Chari, question number 9. Figure 5.1 shows a coil of wire wrapped around a plastic tube. Inside the tube are two pieces of soft iron. Soft iron because it's a soft magnetic material. It's abruptly magnetized and demagnetized. When the switch is closed, the compass needle points in the direction of the magnetic field produced at each position. You may ignore the magnetic field of the Earth in this question. On figure 5.1, mark arrows in the compasses A, B, and C to show the direction of magnetic field at each position after the switch has been closed. Now, when we will close the switch, it is closed. This is positive terminal. This is positive terminal and this is negative terminal. Flow of current will be from positive terminal towards the negative terminal. So this is the flow of current, and then current will be downwards in the coil. So this is the current. Now with respect to this current, the right side, this side will be north, and the left side, this side will be south. Now the compass needle has a pointer whose arrowhead is the North Pole. So north will repel north because the compass needle has a pointer which is also a magnet itself, which can rotate as it is pivoted at the center. Uh, the the arrowhead is the north and the tail is south. In the same manner, this compass will be, or pointer will be like this. It is pivoted at the center, its arrowhead is north and its tail is south. Now the compass B will have a pointer that will be pointing towards south, obviously. So this is north and this is south. So this is a pointer of compass B. When the switch is closed, the two pieces of soft iron in the tube become magnets and move. Mark poles formed on each piece of soft iron. Now we already marked north and south on one ends. The other end will be the opposite pole. For example, this is north. Then if this is north, the remaining pole will be south. North, south. If this is south, the other one will be north. So this is the arrangement of poles of the soft iron. State and explain how pieces of iron move. They will move towards each other because the opposite poles, north and south, will attract each other. The pieces of, here you have word state. State means describe what will happen, and explain means what is the reason behind that. So first we'll write answer for state. They will move, they will move towards each other since opposite poles, north and south, will attract each other. So they will move towards each other since opposite poles, north and south, will attract each other. State the effect on the magnetic field of reversing the direction of the current. So if we reverse the direction of the current, what will be the effect on the magnetic field? So the effect will be that the poles will be reversed. The poles and the direction, of magnetic field, the poles and the direction of magnetic field will be reversed. So this is the effect. And reducing the size of the current. Now, if we reduce the size of the current, then obviously magnetic field strength depends on the current. A lower current will result in a weaker magnetic field. So we can write, or we should write, magnetic field magnetic field will become weaker. Since the word state is in the question, which means reason is not needed, we just have to state what will happen. Okay, bachcho, take care. Khuda Hafiz.